7 has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, south-central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Monticello, or 9 miles north of Monroe, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Evansville, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Dayton, and Attica. Take cover now.